Why Cloud Big Data Pay 40% Recurring Income. This video helps to understand staffing and recruitment business model, onshore and offshore business operating costs, overhead and expenses of Cloud Big Data. First time ever in staffing industry. On each placement, Cloud Big Data pays you 40% of the corp-to-corp vendor margin. Just achieve 12 placements. Earn up to $96,768 in 12 recurring months. Across India, hundreds of RICRs earning up to $96,768 in 12 recurring months. First time ever in staffing industry, Cloud Big Data pays you 40% of the corp-to-corp vendor margin as recurring income. As per the staffing industry experts' analysis, Cloud Big Data's 40% recurring income is considered to be first time ever, highest commission in the staffing industry. Cloud Big Data takes care of all onshore and offshore business operating costs, overhead and expenses to successfully operate the e-staffing business in United States and India. Hence Cloud Big Data pay 40% of the vendor margin as recurring income to independent contract recruiters. Cloud Big Data takes care of onshore business expenses, payroll administration expenses, H-1B transfer expenses, legal immigration expenses, United States taxation expenses, external legal and audit expenses, expenses for liability insurances in United States, commercial general liability insurance, automobile liability insurance, umbrella liability insurance, workers' compensation and employers' liability insurance, professional liability insurance, third-party fidelity bond insurance, contract management expenses, account receivables expenses, account payables expenses, invoicing and billing expenses, office rents, equipment, supplies, maintenance expenses, technology infrastructure expenses, technical support expenses, advertising, promotion, training expenses. Cloud Big Data takes care of offshore business expenses, ICR application processing and support expenses, ICR payroll administration expenses, office rents, equipment, supplies, maintenance expenses, India taxation expenses. Important recommendations to independent contract recruiters. Since Cloud Big Data pays 40% of the corp-to-corp vendor margin as recurring income, so every independent contract recruiters will get their own client requirements and source the consultants on their own. Since Cloud Big Data paying 40% of the corp-to-corp vendor margin as recurring income, every independent contract recruiters need to fulfill multiple roles and responsibilities, such as a recruiter, business development specialist and account manager to get your own client requirements, consultants, and achieve placements. Do not submit your candidates to Cloud Big Data VMS portal requirements because our independent contract recruiters who posted their own requirements will keep the vendor margin to Cloud Big Data on those requirements. If you again work on those, it is considered as double margin and is not acceptable. At Cloud Big Data, you can either work on your own client requirements, or you can market and place your own hot list consultants, or you can do both. Any approach is fine, but finally achieving a placement is important. If you do not have own client, or vendor contacts, then you can focus on marketing and placing your own hot list consultants. 7,500 plus independent contract recruiters and franchise owners are part of Cloud Big Data. All achievers earn up to $2,500 joining bonus. All achievers get free holiday trips to Thailand, Singapore, Dubai, Mauritius, and Europe. Start your own franchise with Cloud Big Data. Earn more than 2.5 crores per year. Join as independent contract recruiter. Today with Cloud Big Data. Visit our video channel www.cloudbigd.com/channel.